Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oka Love Light. So I want to do kind of like a quick unboxing. So I got these syrups that go with my coffee. This is the salted caramel one, and this is supposed to be, you know, sugar free of everything, and people rant and rave about them. So I wanted to try it, but I'm very excited for this. This right here, I've been wanting these glasses. I have been seeing these glasses with the lids on them, and if y'all know, I love mason jars. I love like mason jars and glasses. So let's see what this look like. I will say at first I was so like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, they're so thin, because those glasses are really thin, but it's actually not that bad. They came with glass straws. I ordered this off of Amazon. And they also came with 2 straw cleaners. So yeah, glass straws, bamboo tops, glass like mug. What is it like? Almost like a canned soda glass. I like it, and I like it a lot. So I just wanted to show y'all. We're gonna test out this little whole sugar-free syrup concoction they made over here. We're gonna check this out. First, I'm just gonna make me one of these root beer packets. This is my first time seeing these. I don't know why, but I want to try this. I don't even like root beer soda really, but I want to try this. So, and plus I wanted to use my glass. Look, you do anything for aesthetic, right? Sometimes I want to see how this packet tastes. I probably made this like too sweet. I probably should have put more water, which I end up doing. I just kept refilling it up, but this is what it looks like, and it tastes really good. So today, y'all, I am working night shift. I am working a night shift. So I am going to also make me a cup of coffee. I can also use this salted caramel sugar-free syrup. The only thing I wish I had like plain creamer versus French vanilla so I could really get the feel of it. I will say too though, when I poured it in here this first go round, I really didn't taste it a lot. I didn't really taste a lot, so I'm like, let me pour just a little bit more. So I just added some more to it, and the taste is pretty okay. I can do this. I don't know if I really taste like salted caramel, but it's something. Anyway, y'all, let's hop right on into lunch because I skipped breakfast because I worked night shift last night as well. I don't know what's going on with me, why I'm doing that. I mean, it's more money on nights, but it's like, I don't really like working night shift. I was just trying to be nice and help them out. But I really don't like working night shift. Anyway, though, we are going to just make us some garlic butter steak with some mushrooms and some onions, and I'm going to put it on top of a bed of cauliflower rice. Now for the steak pieces, I got the cube size pieces this time. I just chopped them up a little bit smaller. Some of them were still left a little bit big, but I didn't feel like chopping them up because I need to, you know, get some sleep for work. I'm just going to put it in a pan with avocado oil, season it with Italian seasoning, salt, red pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's it. We're going to make the sauce out of butter and water. Yes, butter and water. And if you have fresh garlic cloves, you will put them in while you're cooking your sauce. I did not have any. I have to go to the store. Don't judge me. So I'm going to put loads of my best friend garlic powder. Oh, I almost forgot. I also added Cajun seasoning to the beef. That made a world of difference. That made this thing taste deliciosios. Is it? Delicioso. Oh, goodness. What am I saying? Lord, delicioso. Just delicious. Let's make it easy. Delicious. That is how it tasted. All right, now let's get into this butter sauce. So like I said, do about 3 tablespoons of butter and loads of garlic powder. Now, once I did this, I did put parsley in it as well, but it became like really thick because I put the garlic powder and parsley. So I just thinned it out with some water, and you'll see it once I pour it onto the steak. Let me tell y'all, this might not look delicious. Look at my daughter. Look at these kids. I told you they always look. She gotta make sure she get her some butter and so, these kids. But me and her tore this up. So for my cauliflower rice, I just heated it up and I put about like a quarter of a lemon. I squeezed the juice on top, and then I added garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, and then a hint of salt, and that is it. This was so good. All right, y'all, so I got another unboxing thing that I want to do. I had ordered another skinny syrup, and I also ordered maple extract because remember I didn't have any. So people say that this mermaid flavor burst is really, really good. So it's supposed to like help you drink more water because it adds a flavor, almost like flavored water. And of course, like I said, I got the maple extract. So we're going to try this out. You can use it for cocktails, tea, lemonade, things like that. So I'm just going to use one of my coconut sparkling waters to put it in and mix it with because I think that would be really good. I should probably like throw in some heavy cream with it because it might make it taste like I don't know, like something good. But we're going to pull this in and see how it tastes, and I will let you know. It say only use like a tablespoon, so we're going to see. We're going to see what it tastes like. So I'm going to pour this tablespoon in there and try it out.
I can control. I miss you, baby.
And here is why I do my own measurements. You definitely need more than a tablespoon. It's really good though. It's really good. It give it like this little blue hue. So I really like that too. All right, so on to my snack. I'm just going to have a tablespoon of almond butter, which I did have 2 tablespoons of almond butter this day because I did one during the morning time and then one right before bed. I'm really liking just eating the almond butter as a snack. It's so light on my digestive system and it's easy. So I'm really liking that. For our dinner, I'm going to be making a Caesar salad with shrimp. Y'all know I got to add shrimp or some type of meat because that's just who I am. I'm just ridiculous. I'm going to season my shrimp with Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, Italian seasoning, and that's it. We're just going to season it with those. We're going to get our flavoring from our homemade Caesar dressing. Wait until y'all see how I make this dressing. It's so easy and it is freaking delicious. I don't even think I'm buying any more dressing anymore. I'm telling y'all, it's 2023. It's time for us to grow up. Time for us to make our own condiments. Well, sort of. Let me not get hold on. Let me take it down a notch. Let me not get too ridiculous. So for the Caesar salad, I'm gonna tell you all that you need, and then you can watch me make it and see how it turned out. First, I'm going to start off with about 3.5 tablespoons of mayo. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard. If you have Dijon mustard, you can use that too. I'm also going to throw in 2 like artichoke. I like artichoke, so if you don't, you can put in 1, but that gives it a good flavor. Because I don't have whole garlic cloves, I am just going to put loads of my best friend garlic powder in there. Put loads of garlic powder. I'm gonna do Italian seasoning, black pepper, parsley, like about 2.5 tablespoons of water so it can mix well. I'm gonna put about half a lemon in there, Romano and Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna put that together and mix it up and watch how this thing turned out. This was so good. Even my daughter ate it, and one of my girls are so picky with her meals. She's like ridiculous, but she loved this. It was just a plain Caesar salad. It was so good. Oh, and I made my own croutons too, just by doing the look, get into this video, y'all. This is good.
Wishing we were both in different places. Felt like we were running different races. Sometimes things just break and there's nothing you can change. Not a day with you that was wasted. I don't know what you think about me.
So now that we got that blend, I want to show y'all my keto bread that I'm going to be making my croutons out of. So this is 0 carb bread, 35 for one slice, 35 calories for one slice. And as you can see, it's 10 carbs and 10 fiber. So we're just going to toast this and then cut it up.
Girl, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. Yeah, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. But now I hate you. Yeah, I hate you. 'Cause I still love you. But I can't love you anymore. Riding around with some friends from my hometown. Came along just to get my mind off you.
Hold on for a second. Let me just cut in this because I want y'all to see this creaminess. Look at this creaminess of this dressing. This dresser was so good. Now, I didn't have all fresh ingredients, which, guess what? You couldn't even tell the difference. This dressing is very good. But if you do have like fresh garlic and fresh Parmesan cheese, just grate that thing and put it on in that blender. This is so good. Look at my croutons. One little slice was enough. I didn't even need 2 slices. So, and they stayed crispy because I toasted them a little bit longer so they can get darker. So even after I put the dressing on there, they still was crisp. This was so good. This is such a good salad. Look at my dressing. Yo, I gotta get myself together over here. I'm just so excited. I'll be excited when I make something good. So I'm gonna have another one of those drinks that I had earlier because they were so good. That little mermaid flavor is really good. Give it kind of like a tropical flavor. I can't even explain the flavor. And I love the little blue hue that it gives in the glass. It's so cute. It's so cute. Alright, y'all, so here is the last snack of the day. Just another tablespoon of the almond butter. And then I'm going to make me a blue drink to go with it. Alright, you guys, so the day was 1,266 calories and it was 13 net carbs. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here and you made it this far, you might as well consider subscribing, only if you want to. Those who keep coming back, thank you for your love and your support. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.